everyone, welcome back to Sleeper Barbecue, and guess what we're doing today? We're making a Porter Road tri-tip steak. First time ever for me doing a tri-tip, but hopefully we're going to make it good. We're going to cook it on a Weber kettle and we'll bring it back here shortly. First thing we're going to do is I'm going to get some kosher salt on this. Let it dry brine in the refrigerator for a few hours probably. First off, I want to apologize if you hear my truck running in the background. It's that loud diesel, but I've got to start it every once in a while, let that battery charge up. Since I retired from work, I don't drive it every day, so I like to keep the engine, keep the oils turned over, and I forgot to turn the truck off. So I thought I'd make this quick, and apparently I'm not making it quick. So we're doing a tri-tip. I'm also going to have potatoes and onions, and here I have the baby white potatoes that have been cleaned, just cut in half. One large onion cut. I've got oil, got a stick of butter in there. The seasoning on the potatoes is Heath Riles Cajun Creole butter, garlic butter, and I use the last of this Bill Purvis's chicken fried barbecue, his Texas rib grind on there also, and there is some salt on it too. Well, we're going to get that going on the kettle. A little bit of smoke on it first, and then what I'm going to do is cover these potatoes up and let them finish up covered so that they cook a little quicker. But we're going to get a little bit of that pecan smoke on it first. Fall is here. About 40 minutes in, we got the potatoes covered. We're going to try and get them softened up and get them cooking a little bit faster so we can get this steak on. I'm hungry. All right, potatoes are ready. Nice and soft, nice and flavorful. And there it is. On the coals, got a little pecan smoke going on. Just a couple small chunks. We're going to babysit this thing here. Now it's time to babysit. You don't want this thing going over. Fat cap down. Gonna have some flare-ups. That's just the way it is. Go ahead and get this thing flipped over one time. Won't be long now. There's some nice char on it. Alright, I pulled it. I'm gonna let it rest a little bit. I got 123. Oh, that says 134, 128. Boy, it's dropping. That's 140s. So we're going to let it rest, and then we'll cut it open. See how bad or good we did. Actually, that looks like right there. Trying to find which way to cut it. Hope y'all can see that. I call that a medium. Got a little away from me, but I'm alright with that. But it's just full of juice. Cut me off a piece. Without the fat, please. Excellent. My God. Well, there you go. Glad y'all could share the moment with me. That was my first tri-tip cook, and I gotta say, it was excellent. Mrs. Sleeper enjoyed it just as much. Again, Porter Rhodes, I want to thank you for sponsoring this video. That aged beef, it's out of this world. Great stuff. Potatoes are really good. It's just great stuff. That Porter Road meat is excellent. Anyway, I'm Lance from St. Mary's County, Maryland. Sleeper Barbecue is my YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thank you.